Do you know how to remove the protection password from Excel sheet? Just imagine that you got protected file Excel and you need to modify some data. Or for example, you just forgot the password. But don't worry guys, we have good solution for you. Let's go and let's start. First of all, you need to check if by your file Excel appears the file extension. For example, in my case, you cannot see it. For this reason, go to View and click on the file name extension. And let's see the result. As you can see, the extension was added to the file. The next step is we copy the Excel file and we change the extension from XLS to zip format. As soon as you're done, this file will be put into a WinRAR archive. To download the WinRAR, you can follow this website. The following step is to extract this file to the folder. Open it, go to Excel, choose Worksheets, and open the sheet 1 with the Notepad or WordPad. Here, you have to call the search box. To do it, press Ctrl F and write protection. The crucial thing of this action is to cancel the protection that contains our password. As soon as you're done, just save the file. Come back to the previous step where you see 3 folders like Reels, Doc Props, Excel, and you need to select all these files, go to Send To, and we are going to do the reverse action, compressing the file to the zip format. But the zip format we are going to change into XLS format. As the result, we are going to have back our Excel file. Open it. Fantastic guys, everything is working now. Our Excel file is not protected by the password anymore, so we can change the data as we like. So, if you enjoyed the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.